Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will answer the question, how many devices can be used on YouTube TV? For those who don't know, YouTube TV is a streaming service that has more than 100 TV table with broadcast, cable, regional sport networks, and everything you would expect from YouTube, with a nice price of course, and lots of different opportunities. But how much and how can I use it easily with how many devices? As you might see from here, it's normally saying that up to 6 accounts for one price. That up to 6 accounts for one price thing is a little devious on that part, because this is really different and you can't actually use 6 devices at the same time. There is a little caveat in here. You can watch it at the same time from your tablet, computer or TV, but you can only watch up to 3 devices at the same time. Yes, the answer to that question is 3. And if you watch it on a computer and a mobile device at the same time, it counts as 2. So yes, every computer, every mobile phone, every tablet, every TV is 1 device each. So yes, that means only 3 people can watch things at the same time, and after that it will become like a Netflix thing and say you can't watch it anymore because there are already a lot of people watching. Other than that, that was basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Other than that, we hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.